Most car owners are unknowingly destroying their vehicles and wasting thousands on preventable repairs. Mechanics make their living off people who don't know basic maintenance secrets. I've spent years in the automotive industry, and I've seen the same costly mistakes destroy ABS systems, trigger check engine lights, and turn $50 fixes into $1,500 nightmares. Today, I'm revealing 12 insider secrets that will save you serious money and extend your vehicle's life. These aren't complicated procedures requiring special tools. These are practical tips you can start using today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your investment and spot problems before they empty your wallet. Let's get started. Tip 1. The gas cap gasket secret. Here's something 90% of car owners completely ignore: the rubber gasket on your gas cap. Every time you fuel up, that gasket gets exposed to gasoline and petroleum vapors that slowly break down the rubber. When it fails, you'll trigger your check engine light, fail emissions testing, and waste fuel through evaporation. The fix costs pennies but saves hundreds. Before you screw your gas cap back on, apply a small amount of silicone spray or petroleum jelly to that rubber gasket. This simple 30-second habit preserves the seal, prevents fuel system leaks, and keeps your vapor recovery system functioning properly. I've seen people spend $200 on diagnostic fees and new gas caps when this quick treatment would have prevented the entire problem. Do this every few fill-ups, and that gasket will last the lifetime of your vehicle. Tip 2. The brake bleeding mistake that destroys ABS systems. Most DIY mechanics, and even some professionals, make a critical error when changing brake pads that can destroy your expensive ABS system. Here's the problem. When you push the brake caliper piston back in to fit new, thicker pads, you're forcing old, contaminated brake fluid backward through the system. This dirty fluid contains debris and moisture that gets pushed directly into your ABS module, where it causes corrosion and valve failure. An ABS module replacement costs $1,200 to $2,000. The solution is simple but requires one extra step. Before compressing that piston, open the bleeder valve on the caliper. This allows the old fluid to escape outward instead of backward into your system. You'll need to top off your brake fluid reservoir afterward, but you're flushing out contaminated fluid and protecting thousands of dollars worth of components. This is an industry secret that separates professionals from amateurs. Tip 3. Stop paying for diagnostic fees. Mechanics charge $80 to $150 just to plug in a scanner and read your check engine light codes. Here's what they don't advertise. You can buy your own OBD2 scanner for $20 to $30 and do it yourself in 60 seconds. Every car made after 1996 has a standardized diagnostic port under the dashboard. Plug in the scanner, turn your key to the on position without starting the engine, and the device displays the exact trouble codes triggering your check engine light. You can then research these codes online to understand the problem before ever visiting a shop. This knowledge is power. It prevents mechanics from inflating problems or recommending unnecessary repairs. You'll know exactly what's wrong and can get multiple quotes or even fix simple issues yourself. One diagnostic fee paid to a shop would cover the cost of owning your own scanner forever. Tip 4. Reset your maintenance. Light yourself. That maintenance-required light isn't connected to any actual sensor monitoring your car's condition. It's simply a timer counting miles or months since the last reset. Dealers and quick lube shops charge $15 to $30 just to reset this light after an oil change. You can do it yourself in 10 seconds for free. The exact procedure varies by manufacturer, but it typically involves turning your key to the on position and pressing the trip odometer reset button in a specific pattern. Search your exact year, make, and model, plus maintenance light reset, and you'll find the simple button combination. Some newer vehicles let you reset it through the dashboard menu system. Stop paying someone to push a button. This is one of the easiest ways shops pad their bills. Tip 5. The fuel additive scam. Walk into any auto parts store, and you'll see dozens of fuel additives promising more power, better mileage, and cleaner engines. Here's the truth the industry doesn't want you to know. Modern gasoline already contains all the detergents and additives your engine needs. Top-tier certified fuel from reputable brands like Shell, Chevron, and Mobil is scientifically formulated with deposit-fighting additives. Those bottles promising miracle results are pure profit margin for manufacturers and shops that recommend them. Save your money. unless you're dealing with a specific documented problem like injector clogging in a high-mileage vehicle. Even then, a single bottle of quality injector cleaner used once costs $15 compared to repeatedly buying snake oil products. Your engine doesn't need chemical help if you're using quality fuel and maintaining proper service intervals. Don't fall for marketing hype. Tip 6. The battery purchasing trap. When you buy a car battery from a big box retailer or parts store, you're often getting inventory that's been sitting on the shelf losing charge for months. Batteries begin slowly discharging from the moment they're manufactured, and old stock has significantly reduced lifespan and capacity. Here's the insider move. Always check the manufacture date code stamped on the battery case before purchasing. It's usually a letter-number combination, where the letter indicates the month and the number indicates the year. Never accept a battery more than 6 months old. If the store only has old stock, go somewhere else or demand a discount. A fresh battery will give you an extra 1 to 2 years of reliable service. You're paying for full capacity and full lifespan, so make sure you're getting what you pay for. Tip 7. Stop overfilling your gas tank. Most people squeeze in those extra few cents after the pump clicks off, trying to round up to an even number. This seemingly harmless habit is actually damaging your vehicle's vapor recovery system. Modern cars have complex evaporative emission systems with charcoal canisters that capture fuel vapors. When you overfill, liquid gasoline gets forced into these vapor-only systems, saturating the charcoal canister and potentially damaging valves and sensors. A failed evap system triggers check engine lights and can cost $600 to $1,200 to repair. The pump clicks off when your tank is properly full because it detects the rising fuel level. That's your signal to stop. Those extra few ounces aren't worth risking expensive emissions system damage. Trust the automatic shutoff, and you'll protect components designed to handle vapor, not liquid fuel. Tip 8. The air filter inspection scam. Quick lube shops love showing customers dirty air filters and recommending immediate replacement for $40 to $60. While air filters do need replacing, many shops use scare tactics on filters that have plenty of life left. Here's the real test. Hold the filter up to sunlight or a bright light source. If you can see light passing through the paper element, the filter is still functional. Air filters trap particles on the surface and only need replacement when airflow is significantly restricted. Most manufacturers recommend replacement every 15,000 to 30,000 miles depending on driving conditions. If you drive mostly highway miles in clean environments, you're on the longer end of that spectrum. Buy your own filter online for $15 and replace it yourself in 5 minutes. It's typically held in with clips or a few screws. Don't let shops pressure you into premature replacements. Tip 9. The forgotten PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation valve is a tiny component that most car owners never think about until it fails and causes major problems. This valve recirculates combustion gases from your crankcase back into the intake manifold, preventing pressure buildup and oil contamination. When it gets clogged or sticks, you'll experience rough idle, increased oil consumption, oil leaks from gasket failure due to pressure buildup, and reduced engine performance. The valve costs $5 to $15 and takes 10 minutes to replace. Check your owner's manual for location and replacement interval, typically every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. You can test it by removing it and shaking it. You should hear a rattle from the internal mechanism. No rattle means it's stuck and needs replacement. This $15 part prevents hundreds of dollars in oil leak repairs and engine damage. Tip 10. Read your spark plugs. Spark plugs aren't just ignition components. They're diagnostic tools that reveal your engine's internal condition. When you remove old plugs, examine them closely before throwing them away. Normal plugs have light tan or gray deposits. Black, sooty deposits indicate a rich fuel mixture or oil consumption issues. White or blistered electrodes mean the engine is running too hot. Oil-fouled plugs suggest worn piston rings or valve seals. Identifying these conditions early lets you address problems before they become catastrophic. Modern spark plugs last 60,000 to 100,000 miles, but that doesn't mean you should ignore them until failure. Worn plugs reduce fuel economy by up to 30% and cause misfires that can damage catalytic converters, costing $2,000 to replace. Replace them at manufacturer intervals using quality plugs, not the cheapest option available. Proper ignition is fundamental to engine longevity. Tip 11. Master tire pressure and alignment. Underinflated tires are silent budget killers. Just 5 psi below the recommended pressure reduces fuel economy by 2% and decreases tire life by 25%. Overinflation causes center tread wear and harsh ride quality. Check your tire pressure monthly when tires are cold, using the pressure specified on the driver's door jamb, not the maximum pressure stamped on the tire sidewall. Proper inflation costs nothing and saves hundreds annually in fuel and premature tire replacement. Beyond pressure, watch for uneven wear patterns indicating alignment problems. If your tires show excessive wear on one edge, get an alignment check immediately. Driving with poor alignment destroys tires in thousands of miles instead of 40 to 60,000 and costs you hundreds in premature replacements. A $50 alignment saves $500 in tires. Tip 12. The engine warm-up rule. Modern fuel injection and engine management systems don't require extended warm-up periods, but they do need gradual temperature increase before hard driving. Here's the mistake people make: starting a cold engine and immediately accelerating hard or revving high. Cold oil is thick and doesn't flow properly to lubricate critical components. Cold metal has tighter tolerances that need gradual expansion. Drive gently for the first 5 minutes until the engine reaches operating temperature. Avoid high RPMs and hard acceleration during this period. You'll also protect your catalytic converter, which needs heat to function properly. Starting and immediately revving a cold engine causes exponentially more wear than normal operation. On long trips, this practice extends engine life by tens of thousands of miles. Patience during warm-up is free insurance against premature engine wear. These 12 secrets can save you thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs and extend your vehicle's life by years. From protecting your ABS system during brake jobs to avoiding the fuel additive scam, each tip gives you practical knowledge mechanics assume you don't have. The total potential savings from implementing all these strategies easily exceeds $5,000 over your car's lifetime. Which tip surprised you most? Let me know in the comments what maintenance secrets you've discovered.